Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to go over uranium, do our daily technical analysis. So let's dive in. Let's just go right into it. This is uranium futures contracts. We've pulled on back. We're getting a little bit of contraction where the opening and closing price is closing together on the monthlies. The dailies, let's go to the weeklies. Can't really see the dailies, but here's the weeklies. We're coming on down. It was down a little bit. We're at 46.70 a pound. 46.70. Looking at the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust, we are coming up to support. We bounced off the support level up a little bit higher today. Again, I don't see a bottoming pattern yet. Could this be a bottoming? Could it be a bottoming in the bottoming process? It could be. Again, the short term, lately it spun me around with all the leverage in the system and the overall market's getting hit. So we have to see what happens. I'm just waiting and seeing what happens and being patient here. That's what I'm doing. Uranium, another one that's right on support. We have to see what this thing does. We were up today. We're bouncing off that support level, but we have to see if it holds or if there's more selling pressure in this thing. We have had some pretty good selling pressure here, and we got to see if this support line holds. Camco looking better. Again, we rammed right into the support line. The support line's holding at this time. Will it hold? Let's find out. Before the last bull market, the big run, we had a run up just like this. This fractal's larger. We went up 200% last time. We're up 334% now. And it had a 49% pullback. If that same pullback were to occur again, we would pull all the way back down to $16 and $16.70 or something like that. And so we'll have to see. Bannerman sideways right on support. I like buying off the support lines, but it's right on support. We've got Goviax right on support as well. It's trying to hold on this support line. We've got Global Atomic moving higher today. Again, I don't see reversal patterns yet. They were up days, but they're not necessarily reversals. Doesn't mean that you have to have a reversal. We could launch and move on up here. Are we going to get that? Difficult to say. Is it cheap down here? I do think it's cheap down there. Forces Metals moving sideways. Again, I like how some of these look. Big buying pressure, smaller selling pressure. That usually resolves itself higher over time. Pure Point Uranium, nice little up day. A little bit of volume stepping in some of these as well. Deep Yellow right on support. I do like it down here. It does look quite good. That white line is the support line going across everything. So what you could say is that this here is a breakout and then a return move. And what do we do on return moves? I usually buy them at the support level, and that's right where we're at. Paladin Energy. We're coming back to that support level again. That white, the blue line there that's this long-term support line. And again, I like the support lines. That's where I like to pick up some of my sprinkles and shares. Sky Harbor, again, we're at this support line going across here in the white line. The white line is a little bit lower on this guy. So we hit it. We've got some hits kind of in here. We've played around with it. And are we going to play around with it again? Perhaps. Canalaska, this guy is getting a little bit of selling pressure down. We have not broken this long-term downtrend line either in Canalaska. The blue line up here, we have not broken out of it. So we're still in a downtrend for Canalaska. That's that blue line coming across here. Next Gen Energy, 3.9% up day today. On the dailies, we're bouncing off that support line going across here. Again, I don't see a reversal pattern. We have to see if this sticks, if the support line holds and that we can get some buying pressure in here. Baseload tried running today, sold back off throughout the day. Still an up day though. Fission 3.0, getting a little bit more selling pressure, but we're right at support. Fission, opposite, getting nice bounce off of this white support level. This is a stronger support level because we traded here for quite a long time. Kazatomprom, just going down a little bit today. Peninsula Energy getting it going up, moving on up. But again, we're still above these downtrend lines. Everything looks okay. Boss Energy bouncing off support, moving down a little bit today, but we're at the support level. Consolidated Uranium, kind of a moonshot higher here. No reversal pattern yet. Lotus Resources right on support. And you don't need a reversal pattern to go higher. It can not create one and still go higher. UROY bouncing off the support level up higher, but with a little bit of selling pressure throughout the day. Encore Energy right at this white support line going across. We're a little bit above it. UU got what I need going across. Got the support. We have to see if the support holds. We might see some bouncing around here. URG at support. Blue line of support. UEC, the support line's a little bit beneath it, but an update today. No reversal candlesticks. Update for LEU with a little bit of momentum loss throughout the day. Still looking okay. LTBR moving lower. Still in the downtrend. ISO Energy getting a little bit of support today. And again, we went right below the support. We're starting to get some buying pressure, so that's good. Appy Energy selling off today. Getting a little more selling pressure than the other ones. This is more rare earths, to be honest. And we've got support right underneath it. Another support line at 24 cents. Denison Mines at support. There's your blue line of support. Blue Sky Uranium putting in a bullish engulfing at the support line. That looks good to go higher. And it highly depends on the overall markets. Forum Energy Metals getting a little bit of buying pressure today, up 10.55%. No reversal candlestick. AEC moving a little bit lower. Laramide getting some buying pressure. We've got this last line of support down here. Western Uranium Vanadium moving sideways. UEXCF moving on up above the support resistance line. That's this blue line going across here. There's the big boy. Mega Uranium getting some buying pressure today. Again, still no reversal candlestick. We have to see if this is legit. Standard Uranium moving on up today. Valor Metals getting a nice good buying pressure right at support. We've got Elevate getting buying pressure right at support, and we'll see if this thing holds. 92E getting a little bit of a sell-off there. There it is. But that's what we got for today, guys. That is uranium. Again, I'd like to see the buying pressure continue. I don't see reverse candlesticks outside of maybe one or two. Bullish engulfings, hammer candlesticks, bullish piercings. Something is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for some sort of candlestick bullishness as a bottoming pattern. I just don't see it yet. Doesn't mean you have to have them either. They can continue higher and just have the money flows come in. I'm just looking for statistical probability turns to move on up. So we'll see if the overall markets, let's take a quick look at the S&P 500, because I know these are highly correlated together. And there's no reversal candlestick there either. So we have to see what's going to go on because there's a lot of momentum behind this downward movement. We got to see what happens next. Are we still in a downtrend? Are we going to reverse this downtrend? Are we putting in a bottoming pattern? We have to wait for the buyers to show up and show us that if it is, in fact, going to turn around. But right now, I'm holding on to my shares. I'm just holding, looking for what's going to happen. If you guys like this analysis, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website below, the Platinum membership. It's in the description link below if you want to join. And you can join me and have some edge. I have a bunch of information on the website. If you guys want to come to the question and answer session, it's Sunday. I have 2 sessions, one at 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, one at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So I can get everyone. They're going to be shorter sessions, probably stopped at an hour and a half for each. And then we'll go through whatever questions you guys have. All right, guys, that's all I've got for today. We'll hit it up next time. Thanks for listening. This is Finding Value.